Hello students, today we are going to start another method of shortcut which can be divided by any of the numbers. Here u and v, you may say assumed x and y divided some numbers. See this in last chapter number 1 we also study this method with u and v but divided some numbers, here divided by 2 and here divided by 25. Then starts our regression line, regression for y on x, same as regression for x on y. Here formula is also same like previous example. N sigma uv, sigma u and sigma v. Denominator sigma u square minus sigma u whole square, same as dxy n sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon n sigma v square sigma v whole square. See the students, here some difference in formula. Up to this formula you are making a lots of sum, but whenever the division method of shortcut it calculate when some difference is that here we can more added cy upon cx, same as here cx upon cy. See here cy means a v or 25 and cx means 2. Here the cx and cy means assumed mean, or you may say assumed mean upon divided numbers called cy and cx. Something new here, x means u then divided by 2 and y means v means 25. Now n means 7, sigma uv is 48, sigma u is 40 and sigma v 6 upon 7, sigma u square is 290 minus sigma u 40 square. Now we added a cy and cx. Here cy, y means v. How many? 25. And cx means u. How many? 2. Write 2. Now 48 into 7, 3 3 336 minus 40 into 6 240 upon 7 into 290 2030 and minus 40 square is 1600 upon 25 2. Now 336 minus 240 96 upon 2030 minus 1600 means 860. Sorry, 430. Here 430 multiplied with 25 upon 2. Now is 2400 upon 860 is equal to 2.79. Now same as dxy is equal to 7 uv 40 into 6 upon 7 sigma v is 10 minus v 6 square. Here x means 2 and y means 25 means 2 upon 25. Now 7 into 48 366 minus 240 upon 70 minus 36 into 2 upon 25. Now 336 minus 240 is 96 and 34 upon 2 by 25. 96 into 2 192 upon 34 into 25 is 850. Here the answer is 0.23. Now we find regression line y minus y bar dyx x minus x bar y minus 42.86 b by x means 2.79 x bar 211.43 y minus 42.86 multiplied with x 2.79 x minus multiplication with 211.43 is 590, around 590.34 590.034. Now calculate with y. Y is equal to 2.79x minus 590.0.34. Here minus side change plus 42.86 86. Now y cap is equal to 2.79x minus 590.035 plus 42.86 is here we got the first regression line. Now go second line. X minus x bar is equal to dxy y minus y bar. X minus x bar is 211.43 is equal to 0.25. Y minus y bar is 42.86. Now x multiplied with y, 0.23y minus 0.23 into minus 42.86 is 16.14. Now x is equal to 0.23y minus 16.14, here side change, plus 211.43. X cap is equal to 0.23y plus minus 16.40 plus 211.43 is 1. Here we got second regression line. Now see in example, here we got two lines, y cap and x cap. Now another instruction also given in the questions, hence the estimate the value of y when x is equal to 250. Here the value of x is 250, then write put x is equal to 250. Then y cap is equal to 2.79 multiplied to 50 minus 518.61. Y cap is equal to 2.79 multiplied with 250 is equal to 518 minus now here the remaining part of y, or you may say value of y cap is 169.07. Value of y is same as x. Find x when the y is 125, then write it put y is equal to 125, x cap is equal to 0.23, value of y is 125 plus 195.29. Now 0.23 into 125 is 28.24 plus 195.29 is equal to 223.54. Here the value of x and value of y getting from this answer.